G'day. Well, you'll all remember Gary from the vlog we did with our two Nissan Zs. Oh, Gary. What do you say we go and fly these drones, eh?
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah. If not, check that out. It'll be in the link at the end, but he wanted to show me something. So let's see what that is. Let's check it out.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Oh, I thought you wanted to show me something. Oh, well,
hey.
What do you got?
Oh, welcome. Hey.
What do you got?
It's a metal detector, mate. It's a metal detector.
A mental detector?
Metal, yes.
Mental as in
right
me?
on cue.
Mental? Oh, a metal detector. Okay, well.
I figure there should be some stuff around here, mate, that we should be able to
Some metal.
to have a look at. Yeah.
Or possibly gold. Didn't there used to be a gold
Well, I don't know.
mine somewhere? Not
I know
far.
there was up in Mount Cooper, but...
Come around this way. Okay. Okay, so I know you told me you were looking at a few.
Yeah, well,
So what's this one?
it's not an expensive one. It's called a Nokta Makro Simplex.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I know. It's a
What's it mean in Australian?
It's a,
Oh,
it's,
I hope it gets longer than that.
it's supposed to be okay.
Yeah.
I've done a little bit of...
What was the other one you were looking at that you almost bought?
almost bought the Minelab Equinox 530 or 540. Yes,
That's
that
a
was the other
mouthful.
one. But this is $150 cheaper.
Oh, well there you go. And
look,
same specs?
well, almost.
Oh.
It's not quite there, but
Okay.
look, it's not bad, Steve.
Well, let's have a look what's in it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, unboxing.
Unboxing. As in removing it from the box. Which at this rate is going to be the whole video.
Just hold on.
2-year warranty, very good.
Unboxing.
You can't do it. Welcome to the non-unboxing of the metal detector.
There we go.
There we go.
Look at this.
Trespian.
So there be the coil.
Coil. That's the
coil.
part that detects things.
That's the part that detects things. That looks like one of the extension rods or arms.
Very good. Oh, headphones.
Headphones.
Right, I'll see you later, Gary. I need some headphones.
Headphones.
Well, I'll be dipped.
Instructions.
Right. Suitably fold on the grass. As you do. Well, that's pretty good. It's pretty cool.
And this looks like the main bit.
That's the gun bit.
And there's the other extension arm.
Oh.
So
Wow.
what you can do is start putting it together, eh?
Alright. Let's have a look at the screen here.
Break for a minute, mate. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, there you go.
There we go. Oh, no, don't move around my shot there. Right. Well, through the magic of television or YouTubing.
You'll get it assembled.
Yes, here we go. There we go. Lovely.
Okay, it looks like it's all ready to go, Steve.
Well, let's power it
Everything's
up.
connected up. Let's...
See if there's any charge in the battery.
Yeah. Here we go. Oh, there we go.
Oh, good.
Got something.
Nothing worse than having no charge. Wow. It's speaking alien. Oh. And it sings.
Ducks. There's ducks everywhere.
Ducks! Duck!
They're down there in the pool.
Duck!
He's just picking up a lot of building materials here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Steve, I think.
Yeah, nothing else?
The place was built 13 years ago.
Right. Does it detect coins and things?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it detects ducks. We can hear that.
There's something there.
Is it? What do you detected, Gary?
I found $1.
Oh, you're kidding?
$1.
Oh, that's my dollar. Oh, come back. Come back. Oh, I need me dollars. I need some dollars, baby. I don't know the song. Oh. It really does detect geese. Take two in case the focus was shit.
Okay, so there's different modes.
Yeah.
See how it changes to different modes?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's noisy a little bit. Oh, this is a screamer. So the one on the right, far right.
That one. Okay, so this one here, the first one, is it's like all.
Can you turn the volume down?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Plus and minus. Is it not the plus and minus?
Here we are. Here we are.
Oh, that's better.
Take
Six.
Take 6.
Take 16. This will go in the
Okay, here we
outtakes at
go.
the end of the year.
All right. Okay, so the first mode here, I think, is sort of like an all-terrain sort of mode.
Uh-huh.
Then you've got Park 1, which discriminates certain
You can't
materials.
discriminate these days.
Then you've got a Park 2 mode, which does further discrimination, which I'll have to have a look at.
Yes.
Then it's got a beach mode, and then there's an all iron mode, horseshoes, rings, those sorts of things.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Cool.
So, yeah. There's lots of stuff in here.
Well, that looks like it'll be a lot of fun, Gary.
I think so.
Especially finding other people's money. Anyway,
Good on you.
if you haven't seen it, check out our video where we're driving our Zeds together, because I think you'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
All right, cheers, everyone.
Always good to see Steve, and always good to see you guys. Bye.
You too. Bye, buddy. Oh, no, I'm staying. See you, everyone.